A very good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you so much for supporting my previous video. If you have not watched, I'll link it over here. Please do watch it. It's really awesome. And today, yes, I'm going to the Kesarval waterfall with my sister. So I hope you'll love it. So let's begin. So guys, here I've reached the Kesarval waterfall. This place is really beautiful, guys. You can see this. This was one time a restaurant by government of Goa. ये अभी खंडर जैसा बन गया है. This place is totally spoiled now. You can see. Can't believe this was one time a restaurant. और यहाँ पे देखो, जब जगह खंडर बन जाती है तो इस तरह के चीज़ें हो जाती हैं यहाँ पर. We can understand this is without maintenance, but this is not at all good. यहाँ पे लोग आके दारू पी के जाते हैं और सब कचरा ये पे फेंक के जाते हैं. Anyways, let's go over here to the waterfall. देखा होता जंगलांत है. रोड है ऐसा. चलिए. मुझे भी नहीं पता यहाँ पे क्या है. Let's see. In the rainy season, this is a thick jungle, man. और यहाँ पे मुझे डर भी लग रहा है. ए, छोड़ दूँगा. हाँ. यहाँ पे बहुत घना जंगल है एक्चुअली. ये देखो. So actually we are getting scared to go over here. Anyways, we have to go this side. No issues. So here the fear is only one. Sap. So guys, this is the beautiful spring waterfall. So guys, here actually we didn't knew there is a landslide over here. यहाँ पे देख लो, the tree is fallen. क्योंकि कुछ तीन चार साल पहले हम लोग आए थे यहाँ पे, मैं और मेरे दोस्त. So it was all clear over here. And here you can see these all rocks are fallen from here. So guys, you can see here there is a landslide over here also. कुछ साल पहले जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे, यहाँ पे ये सब नहीं था. You know, this was the waterfall was like this, and here you can see there's a hollow over here. This is a whole landslide. यहाँ पे you can see over here the tree has been fallen. So guys, this was the Kesarval spring waterfall, and if you're coming over here, be careful. यहाँ पे landslide हो चुका है. You can see this. So I guess this landslide had happened when the cyclone had hit the western coast. So just be careful while coming over here. So that's it in the video, guys. It's a wrap. If you like this video, comment down your views, hit the like button, share this video with everyone, and do subscribe my channel Goenkar Sid. Till then, take care, goodbye. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. नमस्कार.